Hello learners, today we're going to learn how you can add a desktop icon of recently added applications. Okay, so for those you have to do, if you don't have a default application, system application like this PC, recycle bin, that, so for that you have to go to the desktop, right click, then go to personalize. After personalize, choose the theme option, click on the desktop icon setting here. Desktop, here you have to check all the application that you want, like recycle bin, compare and the SPC, then apply and OK. This will add this PC and recycle bin in your desktop. Okay, now for external app. So for external app, click on the start button and you will see recently added option here. I have seeing like most used. Okay, if not, you are seeing that it recently used option is not visible for you. What you can do is like, if recently option is there, recently added, sorry, yeah, for that you just have to drag and drop in this way. Drag and drop, you can create a shortcut icon here. If not, if you want, I have most used and you want recently added, so what you can do, right click on the desktop, then personalize, then go to start here, and then there you will be, yeah, there is an option like show recently added, so switch on it. Okay, then recently added will be there. In that way you can add any of the recently added application in the desktop. Okay, thank you guys, please like, share, subscribe and support us.